Edohia wabedena. Edohia wabedena o. Wabo o, wabavan o, wabota o, evunu waye. Don devil. Edoniro wa, edoniri si, edoniro edo, edonire wayi, edonire kalaba, edonire ku, edonire Kaduna, edonire South Africa, edonire Spain, edonire Italy, edonire Morocco, edonire London, edonire Russia, edonire China, edonire Germany, edo yafe wa bokan wa bedene do wa here man de gbera wa de bi ya yese ma veri woda do togedo ogedo na matana mama ye kate boy de o kagedo be maria na redo saya boagbon o ya boagbon ana do na reto do se kena yena we shagan total e magani baba ya tota mwe ya ukoko magani ye ya tota wa ya boka o ya ye gbera ma ya wa ga ri mu no sa o ba ya so o na nya ma sa do bua ma na do ri ma do to ne gbe ma o ka ge do de ma make na o e ke makede oregbe ekin mana dokede oregbe wa bon when my ya na when my ya o na e my ya we urigre fiangbedo gere de yobo ni ma ba wo gi ma wo jesi maka e ni ma wo na jamie we e bi edo ya ibe wo e jamie we ta ibe mai mo e be owi we mi jamie we iba e ya vo jamie we e ba e ya yo gara jamie we e ba e ya su won oh no nyame aso ma na do ma ya fe ke mo ka me ke kraki ku ke bobo ke mo we e bi ma ye ma na fiambe ma o na ya na ege ma hu na kwa na ka o no we we ku na to e do di we se so do boy ma no ya fe no gun we se o fiagbe o wa to de e ma na wa la o fiagbe ara no wo do ege ya hu na kwa o ege ya ge do kwa o di yo bo ni ya fiambe ni ya èmi àwẹ̀ ní Jésù Kristi ní yàrá ìṣẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́ yàwó ìṣẹ́ o wàwẹ̀ ìṣẹ́ o kọ́kọ́ fi lè dín o o kọ́kọ́ fi lè nà fi dín o wọ̀nyẹ̀ náà yẹ abókíá o rita na bulele abokia o waka aresin abokia tama e were ba e constant say we abokia o Andra Amato oba abokia o so bade mudia yogi ko yo ai megbe wari mota de wodo yo be wa o why to ta dan pepepe na we na ri na na o Ibota ogedo ni awu no we ebedo ya yi wa ge owuku na to ebedo ikedi agwan yo owuku na mu ni ya o imaye de oye won hu ya te ka ban go won hu mege ya omo ma si megbe ne badagwa ne bomukia ezo ma na le ba be ze wona be upiri na le ba ma ya o we na Ibota ogedo aga abi o ya za wo YouTube sa o yo sa lo bo o me keda bi meji yo ai wata lo eta ta lo kwa o me keda bi meji to ma e mo na ma e bi yan do ba nye mi ya o mi bi ba o ye ma ro he do na èmi lè máa sọ náà Ibota ogedo Ibota redo. Ibota, okay, edene. Oko wa o obi na yagbon na o. Ibota, okay, edene. Ogiso ni be edo be egenede patu. Ogiso ni be edo be egenede patu. Aka wo pa na de. Npogi ba na ikina. Oga ise si gbe. Akedo la oba no yi bedo. Oh! Wapo boyo. Uyo salobwa. Wa here we uyo salobwa. Uyo salobwa. When me big bubble on here or get do that. I mean before I also boy go eti man not out. Ima here wa wo. Take na we bi na kina. Man no uzo no gbera banate ogisu eva no yi ko wa okwana no wa okoda odu wa ye yen re ogisu igodo ogisu igodo nupo give na ebelele na ogisu igodo ogisu igodo omeni na otedo ni ando ate igodo migodo oko igodo migodo what I say wa na igodo migodo ke bapa wagima ti edo igodo migodo we pa bi yekori on wuri edo enun ya ka wuri edo igodo migodo ko we pa bi yekori wuri edo wo igodo migodo oko ya ni rowa wakami awi ade do wi ade igodo migodo okara ya ore kalaba ya ade do wi ade igodo migodo yeah no re Port you ade do where you dey go where come we ade go igodo migodo ibi do ni rebebo ya wi ade odi wa ya re so wa de ko do wa go igodo migodo iye be which one is that? Igodo migodo. That's where I came from. Okuma azude bande odenede ayagwalo. Aswani how Ogiso orire 66 to 100 BCE. Ogiso orire gudupo egedaya ijesu wada pa gbona. Ejesu we wan we kwera gbo. Wada pa ijesu wada pa gbona. Ogiso orire. Orire. Ma o yesi won we okwe orire. Bafeni me okwe me oku orire. Boya nyi he, boya he, boyu ageo. We are treating the Ogisos of Edo Kingdom. Igodo. So we are tracing our history from the beginning. And we need our children, our younger generation to learn it. And by the grace of the Almighty God, we hope that the Ministry of Education will adopt the history of Edo as part of the history curricula that they'll be teaching our children. It's good for us to know our history. We know the history of England, the history of Europe, the history of America, but we should know the history of Edo history. So today is part 2, the second part that we are treating it now, the Ogiso dynasty. Ogiso dynasty. After Ogiso dynasty, then we enter Oba Eweka dynasty. Ogiso dynasty was the first one of 31 kings when God created this earth, Ogiso was the first, Ogiso Igodo was first Ogiso. Ogiso means the king from the skies. The king from the skies. Ogiso. So last Friday we treated part 1. There were 2 Ogisos. The very first Ogiso was Ogiso Igodo. He was the one that gave his name to Benin City. Benin City was formerly called Igodo Migodo. You hear that? What was Benin City called at first? Igodo Migodo. It was later changed to Edo. And that name rings a bell. It's so sound. Igodo Migodo. And we should be very proud of the name. Somebody you boben kata modelo. Adogbamu yo odan ladi eko. Agbamu yo odan ladi owo. Agbamu yo odan ladi auchi. Agbamu yo odan ladi agbo. Agbamu yo odan ladi sapole. Oye gedagbe. Oh, well, welcome to the land of Igodo Migodo. Oh, Sadiqa, welcome to Igodo Migodo Kingdom. Oh, okay. So don't you go to Isa? Even now, do. Why am you? Oh, you wanna? Oh, yeah. Welcome to Igodo Migodo Kingdom. Bobby, yeah. Bọ́bá Mùdíàkà wẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ yìí ṣe àgbọ̀n okó mi ọ̀nà ọ̀yàn ìjàkẹ́ ẹ̀dọ́ yìí ṣe àgbọ̀n. Bọ́bá Mùdíàkà wẹ̀ ẹ̀dọ́ the center of the legendary center of creation. Okó mi wẹ̀mí yàrá Mùdíà yìí. Ibi yóò sọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀ yíyan wà lọ. Ẹ̀ tí wọn náà gbọ́n yìí yóò sọ̀rọ̀ tí yóò sọ̀rọ̀ bọ̀. Wọ́nà. Good to. So today we are treating the second part 2. So we'll be nominating part 1, part 2, part 3, part 4. It's going to go to part 10. So we treated Ogiso, the first one, Igodo. He gave his name to Igodo. The second one was Ogiso. So the third one today is Ogiso Orira. What's it called? Ogiso Orire. See when he lived, 66 AD to 100 CE. 66 to 100 CE. What did I say CE? Is the other day. Christian era. About the time of Jesus Christ. You see how long ago it was? Let's see how he lived. He was the third Ogiso. So we said the first one was Ogiso Igodo. Second one was Ogiso E. So this is the third one. Ogiso Orire was the third Ogiso Benin. You see him? And he was the son of Ogiso E. You see it? The son of Ogiso E. All right. Then what else did he do? He expanded the kingdom of Igodo Migodo. Oh, you hear that? He expanded the kingdom of Igodo Migodo. So the place which they knew at Igodo Migodo was large, but not too large. But he expanded it. To include Agbo, to include Akure, to include Usapele, to include Owa. You see him? Long time ago. Is that all that he did? No, that's not all. Yeah? What else did he do? Wait. Ogiso Orire. Watch out. He had no male child. Oh, he had no male child. You know that succession to the to the Ogiso is by primogeniture. Primogeniture is the first son will become the ruler. The first son will become the king. But in this man's case, he didn't have a male child. What happened then? And 285 years of a successor. They were searching for a successor who will not be the Ogiso. 285 years. 285 years. So people who saw when they all died, and even their own children died. They were still looking for Ogiso. Why? There was 19 John Were's usurpation. A John Were usurpation. John Were is the eldest man in the place. So this is John Were. These elders now, they were usurping the throne. They were usurping to be made the Ogiso. One says it will be his turn. The other one says it's his turn. They were usurping. They were making themselves Ogiso. But thank God there was a solution. What's the solution? But no elders approval. So they had a council of elders. The council of elders were there. When they saw how John were trying to usurp the throne, the elders said, no, the right thing must be done. The right thing must be done. What did they do? The issue was resolved in 385 CE. So after the usurpation, and the council of elders said, no, we're going to make sure the right thing was done. In 385 CE, they succeeded. They resolved the problem by the choice of Ogiso Odia. By the choice of Ogiso Odia. In 385 CE, they found that there was one Ojonwiri who was old enough, who was strong enough, who was intelligent enough, who was wise enough, who was good enough to be a good leader. So Odia was his name. So they chose Odia for the position of Ogiso. So 385 years to deal with it. 285 years to deal with this trouble. Matore igodo mana bitore no iso egbe ni Ogiso orire. Ogiso orire egene yanyin. Egene ya Ogiso be igodo. 100 minus 66. That's 34. Has it? Ogiso. Ogiso no geha. Ogiso no geha. No ka na igido. Igodo. Npoki badanga ina Ogiso no geha. Obie Ogiso aiga no. Wọ́n bondion. Ogie aye se gbe a. Asa ma de we ni yaso wọn. Obie Ogiso ona be dori egi Ogiso. Oye igodo hien enonkwa. Ama wa total no ke abore. Owa nwin na. Odon ye igodo hien enonkwa. Ona abo ego dia. Ona abo ego dawo. Ona abo ego dieke. Ekini do wa na fiang bai. Gadagba igodo. Arioba igodo ya ke enonkwa. Baby, what is it? Ọmọ bíẹ ọmọ pè á Ogiso orire omambie omokwa iye want oya mo sọ̀rọ̀ bo me ya yo be ya be no etin ya se o omambie omokwa why sunu upo you be va upo ikesu gi igba o kenan gba be you say be ha eyan ya gwale Ogiso obehi wabage edo ipe kesu gi obange gba you say be ha na wa ya gwale Ogiso obehi e ma na don ara gbon bege de Ogiso na ara Ogiso eni wulo ibi eni na be wulo ibi eni so na be don de ke bozege ni ara gwale Ogiso obehi fún da àwọn ọmọ mi kúá wọ́n ìṣúnú. Èdè òwe ọgbà ẹlẹ́wùgé ìyẹn náà tè sọ́tẹ̀. Èdè òwe ọgbà ẹlẹ́wùgé ọdẹ òwe náà rí ọwọ́ yẹn wá Ogiso. Èdè wọn ìyẹn ọmọ gbà yìí. Ó bẹ àbẹ̀rẹ̀ ọwọ́ Ogiso ìyá ẹ̀wẹ̀dẹ̀ ọ̀nà. Ní àbẹ̀rẹ̀ wà á zẹ̀ yẹn Ogiso ìyá. Bon, je viens à Tita, on a un Edion, Dion, et un mamien, Dion, ce pain, Edion, Dion, mamien, Edion, nous avons dans tout cas, Edion, Dion, et un mamien, avec un autre attribut à mon nez, il y a un Ogiso, Edion, et un mamien. Ou pas! Kesu gi ya gbera yisan wie ha ari do bien na doze o odia Ogiso omie ope ibuto na doze odia Ogiso ezi nwa ebu yan dozi o agbara te odia we no yan doze Ogiso you vois bien Ogiso te awi do na si ungo ko na we awi mana do man yo na we ne mi ge sra ma wi ne we so bi ma wi ne mi ge so bi ma kulo ne mi ge so bi ma pefo ne mi ge so bi ma yeyeke so Odia ya Ogiso ya Ogiso ọ̀pẹ́ ibuto ukpo yisan ye ha oya gba bu yisan ye ne yo sọ̀rọ̀ bo oni Ogiso orire na ya si wani obe yo so adi odia ya Ogiso da o ga we ge odia Ogiso odia 385 to 400 Christian naira. Now it became the turn of Ogiso Odia. As I told you just now, the elders of Ogigodo, they chose one man called Ogiso. You will see the kind of person he is just now. He was the fourth Ogiso, so he became Ogiso number 4. Odia. I think some people call Odia. I thank God for some people. Some people are the people they retain the name Odia. Ogiso Odia was the fourth Ogiso. He was prophetic Odionwe. He was an Odionwe, but he was a prophet. Oh! He could see what is going to happen soon, and he will proclaim it without fear or favor. This was enough for them to choose him. You see? Was occultic, was a strong man. So they chose a prophet to be Odionwe. It was Odionwe already to be the Ogiso. You see it? Gerontocracy started. So during his time, gerontocracy started. What is gerontocracy? Gerontocracy is the rule of elders. The rule of elders. Where you cannot do anything is only the elders that they will decide. They are the mouthpiece of authority. They hold to the same sovereignty. Like the elders, remember the elders, council of elders that elected him, that chose him to be Ogiso. So he established it now that from that on, the council of elders, they will be the one to decide for Ikodo Menkodo. You see it? So elders, he was the oldest man, or oldest ruler around at that time because of gerontology, gerontocracy. Okay? So after 22nd Ogiso, primogeniture was restored. So from this time on, is the Ojongwe the oldest? The oldest of Ojongwe that will become the what? Ogiso. See what he started? The oldest. The oldest person on your Ikodo will become Ogiso. How did they know the oldest? They all knew when they were born. They knew who was senior to who. In the Edo villages up to now, we know who is senior to who. When we are choosing a Kolanot, they will give it to people by seniority. Seniority. So he established that from now on, everything will be done by seniority. And it was so. So the Ojongwe now became the Ogiso. The oldest Ojongwe will become the Ogiso. That thing will continue until after the 22nd Ogiso. We are going to see it later. The 22nd Ogiso. The 23rd Ogiso will be Ogiso Oriagba. The primogeniture will be restored. What is primogeniture? The first son. The first son of the ruler. Hey. We thank God. There's so much wisdom in all this. We are glad to know all this. So, watch it. Now, we saw Ogiso Odia, Mata Banre, Dion Ikebu, you could join and do Odia, Yana Yahweh Ogiso, Edi Mata Ba, Gregano Yae. Ogiso no gene, Ogiso Odia. Young Ogiso no gene. Igodo gbèrè ló ṣe àti gbèrè ló ṣe oríire àìlè oríire gbèrè náà ló ṣe Ogiso ọdíà na Ogiso n'oge na ọdịọ nwere n'akasị okwe anani aze na ye wanka ye omeni aguzo ona wa no dewude inu asu no kwe no su musie odege obe tai mo ha mwe ona oni akasị mata akasị nga sọrọ gba ya gbe o na ye bo ewu sọrọ gba ya wo Ogiso akasị odionwe akasị odionwe nakasị odionwe ya Ogiso wa no odionwe ogika emise odan do yi ebuhi we odionwe ogika emise Ogiso odionwe ya fi yana do Ogiso Well, came up, don't we all young Akabise, Bebo. Let that one man and your boy, look at Sagbon have me. I mean, do what I get. But don't we know what you're going to know? Don't we know if you can what you're going to know? Would have played a man, go John Winner. Oh, Cabby said, you can't Sagbon go on. If you have it now, where we are, the answer. Don't we all having so again? I said, where are you do? One or don't we are Yamogiso now? Okay, Quebec of John Yamogiso. ṣùgbọ́n egi ọ̀rẹ́ àyẹ́sẹ̀gbẹ́ àyà àwẹ̀ akédòmíẹ̀wẹ̀ orí rẹ̀ máa wẹ̀ ọmọkùnrin anamíẹ̀wọ̀ dín wòye ayáwẹ̀ náà ọdún wòye náà yẹn yà wẹ̀kíá ọdún sẹ nukpogi kesugie ọdún sẹ nukpogi ugie ogiso nukpogi oge ọkpanyangie ọdún sẹ nugie ogiso vanyangie ogiso vanyangie yẹn mẹwẹ ọdún wòye náà yóò tọ ọhún ya ọdún wòye ogiso náà wòye nukpogi hanyangie wọn ni ọdún wòye ọrí àgbà yọ̀hìn mi dùn ogiso yọ̀hìn mi dùn egi ayéṣègbè kébàpà níwà bẹ́ẹ̀ egi ayéṣègbè yẹn tó mú fún ẹ ọdún wòye yẹn ti yá wẹ̀ gbére ọ̀yẹ́ yéde egi ọ̀rẹ́ ayéṣègbè ọ̀yẹ́dè bẹ̀rẹ̀ ogiso ọ̀rí àgbà ẹ̀gẹ́ ogiso ọ̀rí àgbà ọ̀yẹ́ yéde ogiso ọ̀rí àgbà nìyàn ẹ̀nú pọ̀gì hà n'ọ̀yà yàn gie ogiso nukpọ̀gì hà ọ̀yà yàn gie wọ́n ní ogiso ọ̀rí àgbà ẹ̀gẹ́ ní àádọ́gbé àmọ́ egi ọ̀rẹ́ àyẹ́sẹ̀gbè rẹ̀ dẹ́ ọ̀la wà họ́ ọ̀wọ́ sí ogiso ọ̀rẹ́ ọ̀rẹ́ ìsọ̀gbẹ́ o ọ̀rẹ́ give me no. Now we come to another ogiso after ogiso Odia we come to ogiso Irido watch it, it's not Igodo, this is Irido. See when it rained 400 to 414 CE. It was ogiso for 14 years. For 14 years, sharing the kingdom of Igodo. Irido was the 5th ogiso. Okay, now he's ogiso number 5. Number 1 is Igodo. Number 2 is Ere. Number 3 is Orire. Number 4 is Odia. Number 5 is Irido. Oh, number 5. He was the oldest citizen alive. Oh, you all hear that? You know that is the Odonwe that we are using now. Okay, we are still using the Odonwe. So the Odonwe is always the oldest person in a village, in a community. So he now was the oldest citizen alive. Oh, Odonwe. Oh, his hair, it was great. Even his eyebrow, great. Very old. But he had a special gift too. This Ogiso Irido was a blacksmith. Oh, do you all know who a blacksmith is? A blacksmith is a special tradesman that can use any iron or steel to form something. Blacksmith. Iron and steel, you make them under special heat, in a special temperature, environmental temperature, and change it and make it into something else. Look at this one. A blacksmith can do it. That's what we're saying. It's iron. A blacksmith can make raw iron and then form it to become like this. A blacksmith. That is the thing that God used in blessing Edo people. So this particular Ogiso was the man was blessed in blacksmithing. So he produced what? He produced knives. He produced cutlasses. He produced chains. He produced hoes. So this man was able to make certain things. like knives, like cutlasses, like chains and hoes. You all know this. You know knives, you know cutlass, you know chains and hoes for working in the farm. All he did was to put raw iron together and heat it up, and then he beat it to what the shape he wanted. Was very gifted man. As Ogiso Egido. What do you think he would do? He would train some other younger people to learn that trade. Are they still in Benin today? Yes, they are. Where are they? They are in Igun Street. Igun Street. You go there, you see what blacksmith people can do. It's amazing. It's amazing. That is the black man's computer. Oh! Now I be so igido. Igodo. Oh, igido na. Gẹ́gẹ́ ní yá ẹ̀. Ìpínwé náà ọ̀yá Ògìso. Ìpínwé náà yá Ògìso. Ògìso igido. Dẹ́gẹ́. Bọ́ọ̀kì yìí Ògìso náà. Ògìso igido. Ògìso n'ogi ìsẹ̀. N'ogi ìsẹ̀. Wedo. Ògìso n'ogi ìsẹ̀. N'oka ọ náà igido. Igodo. Nkpoge anaghị Ògìso Nkpoge anaghị Ògìso orire. Nkpoge anaghị Ògìso ọdịa. Ọ naghị Ògìso n'Nkpoge n'oge ise. Ọdịa wee nọọma. Ọwa kì ọma ooo. Ẹ na-achọ ọdịa wee nọọma. Ètò ya fẹ́ èdè yà ìwọ́kùn. Ipa ọ̀ èdè yà ìwọ́kùn. Ìyá fọ kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀kẹ̀. Ọ̀rìwé hùhùn. Èní wọn á ní tọ́bìlì ọ̀nẹ́dẹ́. Yàrá àmì òkòkò ọ̀pá. Òkòkò ní ara sí. Mẹ̀dọ́ wọn wáyé. Inú wáyé lọ wọn wà òkòkò nìkan náà. Wọ́n ta náà. Nkoko ní ara sí ọwọ́ àtàn oyè wọ̀ ọwọ́ àtàn tàtàtàtàtà ọ̀yà adé kan tọ̀ òótọ́. Lórí báyọ̀ tó ta yóò dé ọgbọ́n tó ta yóò okoko ní àṣírí ní wọn nìkan náà ọ̀yà adé kan tọ̀. Adò mọ ìyùnú bẹ́ẹ̀ ni kòkò ọ̀bẹ ìyàwó ẹbí àmú kòkò ọ̀bẹ ìyá yùnú. Àyà àwọn tábà ní yẹ ekulu dọ̀rọ̀ tọ́ ni. Itaba na amu yodo ibada ma amu reyi ekene di wa do mo ye mami ebi ya ge ma wa em no kya gena de ekene di wa do mo yunu ni e ba ni na sie o dan sie èrè ẹni nà rẹ èyí tá a bá nínà ró tọ ọdọ òkè dọdọ sí ẹ ládìí àwọn ògùn ẹ ọpùkẹ ọdí àwọn ọrẹ wí mà tọka tọsẹ rẹ ọ ìṣe ọdí àwọn ọrẹ wí wà ọka tọsẹ rẹ ọ ìṣe. Ọnụ èmi náà dẹ̀ náà wí na ndọ̀gbẹ́ múlẹ̀ àdìyà. Bẹ́ẹ̀ni níta náà wọ̀gì àgùn yá adé ẹ̀wọ̀n mákèrè. Nìmọ̀ yà wọ̀ ukoko n'o tán sotọ̀ ayà wọ̀ nà dín wèé. Wà hàn à. Òkìnàdé ìhó ní ẹ̀wọ̀n náà ẹ̀sẹ̀ tí ìyàwó koko ní ìyẹ̀wọ̀ ẹ̀. Nìmọ̀ tó kú bọ̀ náà. Wà á fẹ́ kàmá kí wọn náà gẹ̀rẹ́. Chama ni re ma gbado ya kina ọgagbo ya adị ebu ma na ya mú kòkò ní wọ na ya gwalọ ayiwe na me we audio we ya share koko audio we don koko na ka si ibayo ni ka we so pa agwa we na audio we no ya abe mo ye ama say ama ngwate futo wa bien wa me audio we don won koko ni egbo iwa mure na ge de ban so do say ama wa mure na ge be ni ma so mo okogbo la dia uzo aran gbe na okogbo ne de na mo la dia ona ye won na wa ko ni ya pole wa ni dolo yi okogbo ne de wa mi okogbo na no ye ba upo na ma upo no po yi bo ne pe yi bo lo ihun ri sango o ye won lage na le ba e ori ba ibi na sa me obiri ba wa ye won ne de na baba say ani maneku odion we igido giso yo giso no gisan no odion we no man odion we ma ya fe ti ara so ma o ise ni ara to o ise eruwe keberi ben ya be to o ise ma ya fe ma ra to so ma ise wa ya we ise o ise odion we no man oni over no kokwa no keke na odion we no man ara mi no ma be no to be yo ogbeso ye nka ka bodego de o medo won aba pa be bu ma na ebo we ni si odion we no man no wa to to take kan wa gili to yi de ni eni na ga yonjero Inowa odio we inowa na bo we yon ga su koko ni ban no wa ya tan so do inu wa do wa ba odio we no le boda do wori ba iye bo we bo inu wa ba odio we inowa ama mi mo pa won ba odio we mo do wa odio we don wa ba gun ebe eje wọn ni baba ni akomangaro nu abo wuzo abe owe esi abe owe ede na amuge egbo ego adi yo yegbe eyan adi emi abe ogo adi yo adi emi don't we know one any toy agun ya gba ho no ta ri o aye odo we ya ogiso na oga me yan pade no ru so ba we bo you ona ga ile me no gbegwe odo we igido ke ga ile me no gbegwe ile me oni en so bo ya wu ba na do ba e mfua ya mfua ebo mu madagwa na kan gbe ma ya gi na ge agbon ge yin na egwe ni na gbe ni gbe me no gbegwe ni o eri pataki wa bi don ba ya wi le ben gbegwe o gwa na re ọjà gogun ayunu ye de be ba oko ogogun ni le meno gbege na nwina na ye mi kimi ayunu ye de ba o vere ere na ya no ya te imaton ke maton wa ite ayon imaton ke maton wa ite is still ana vio ere Teke na mio I don't view you with a running. A running, ado, equa at a winning. Oh, are you no here about? Oh, Bobby Va, I have some equini. Oh, Bobby Va. Whatever you're, yeah, Ladam wear a running. What they ufu, 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 ufu. A running do abba. Oh, we'll be abba. Oh, we'll be abba. In my chair, gas, na yali vaina, na wo ton gbe, running mekana, or ton solid. Oh! Edo! 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 Hi! Edo wano. Abe, banto na vye yoni, eya ilulwe, eya ikwerwa. Hi! Emata, eyo wano. Eyo no ya kwerwa ni yedo mwena dia, ewi kemi no yo no ya u, o ya u. Boy ya ga u. Dile mena gbogbo na opia. Ono ya opia. Ono ya we yo. Ono ya we ogyo. Opia. Eyo. Ogyo. Egwe. Eyo wa u. Egwe ma ya u gbe bori o. Doke ebe ba kebi. Bubu. De na tie bubu. Opia ma ya u na ugbo do na ke ile meni gbegwe oga awe. Abi ile meni gbegwe da yan yira gbon. Yan wa iro o. De keni yan ri dun egun wedo. Idun egun. Wa se wa do evi ni agele wu. Mebe ile meni gbegwe ebo we ni si. Ami ebo we ni opebo na o. Ebo we ni oge ebo no we gi ebu. O we gi enu ebo no ye gbe egi ni edoke pa o won abu ewo ni na tie ariabe we no reach again ni ana tie ariabe mo ta ma won era o ba no ga era o ba no ga era igwa lo na o igwa lo na o ma emio agwa lo ni do ta mu wa do be ma emio anyone no kata mama yi oyibo robo ano to ba robo about robo 15th century kona abuo wenu udoni ebodi ndi ba ekete na we akwe mo ebodi na we da mi le me no gbegbo be arewa organi no wan ni no ile me to boy no gbegbo to boy atiera baba era ojo we ara kin ati o sadi aye yen to boy aye ni ari bon arriba via sogi demulia wa ni kana ile me no gbegbo o suta megeliga we emi no oyonyinwa o suta afan opia zaji opia wuna I do fine eri obeye igba wo na ya mu hie bi na ya mu ogi o agi umugie o isa egigi mamia yi ona go gba ni ogbede ati baba ni emi no ye ewewu era na be house dia ye emi no ye ewewu we we ni si we no pebo ami enu sabo ma ya wa gbon na ami ma ra o ma dege atowa ka se ban ile mi no gbegbo da eje ma le wu àwọn àwọn de ba ya we de fio o sala ba ya gwo ma ka ibiri ile mi no gbegbo ogwogun ba ni ona win na emi no ya win na ni a che ekwe aye unu hi rabo to ogisoni na ka ban gido na wa werio ona bido mai ma we he ona do mai ma we he ye uta da wo ye so o gbeda tie je junior daniel we ogagun ogagun ni ye o ma we ni wa we ki o mebe he ni ogagun no one no we let me no gbegbe no wa we gbegbe no wa we emi e ano e mi ni aye ewebu isa Luma me ke makede ore are ore o iba ma ta se na nowhere ma ya gwa ka ikoni aki ewudo ka bitamwa ikoni aki ana ya gwa ka me ukwu na atwe wedo Nigeria wako yiri ka utaderio na dia yana na we na ya we wa gi amoni fu ayi no solobo ya wo wa niki da degbe agwa ko ukwu na atwe inu ma oge no man yo inu ma yo no ma be yo inu ma be ge be ujegbe e mu ku na to ni awo na be do ku na to na ya da do ni e no akere ugu ni na egbe ni do kere ugu egbe ni na do mi do ge inu sa ya wo wan ke yin re oni ni ma ye gbere de wo to ku nu we ne baba to o ya o yo de wo ma o ya no eji ko mo ne ra de ye nta ma ku nu wa to ami ano de kisore ma ya fe ma ma ku ma to ma ma egbe makere egbe ni me oni no lare wa ugu ni na do ami egbe wo egbe na do ami do ge dan do ge o ya bun o egbe no da de egbe o ya bun o ni dan do ni o ya bun o idun dan di dun odo ase koko do ebo no wa mi an ope na do le do yi wa we so wa dan ro ri ma ta se na no so ba don fembe na ta ise ogo do anogi wesi una ri ma le do re ma pon wan ebo na ya ga e ma ebo na ya yu e ma ebo no wa tum e ma wesi ebo no wa fe e ma edo na bu ata edo na bu are edo na bu wa edo na bu zomo uyo wo sarogbo e ya fo na ya wuma ebo ya wuma e ge le ma se awo ise egi mamu fo awo ise ni ma we na ma won yin ma we ma bi ma be ba yon ri no ede jabe mi we ta e na ta gi ta be ogwi we ni agi ma mwe ogwi we ni la wo uri e uta uri ma oba ma ogi wa uri ma governor wo na mi we idol kai ba me na iya ma mo mi be suku la wo salogbo la wo salogbo Lawo salobwa. Lawo salobwa. Lawo salobwa. Beni Jesu Christi na yawan isa. Oba ewa edumredo. Ora to ri perekete. Adi agama, wari gama. Oyo pa moduge. Oba ilu boy fo isa. Oba to okwe isa. La wa ya we ka we gwa emi ma obedi o. Wa na o ma oge. Wa be ta se gwa. Emi na obedi o. Emi ma na obedi o. Eri ba ya ta ke o to ogi so pa yan gba. Akedo la re egbe ka. Oge egbe ka do ta iye ba no. Ye ka ke. Oba atọpọ ewu ise yare Juno Daniel we ọgagun ọga eriyan dede Juno Daniel ni bọnu ogeogun ogeogun ati ilẹ mẹnà gbẹgbẹ ogeogun but ilẹ mẹnà gbẹgbẹ wa tẹ́lẹ̀ ogogun ma iti e na wata mi do wile me awa ile me no gbegwe ma we yesi won ile me no gbegwe ile me no gbegwe ile me no gbegwe ile me no gbegwe ya si wen do ma wa wa sigo kuku wa mugu seven times abule weso demu dia ona yema re baba ogbede ogun ado obi no he o hiso so we do bia so je weso ya wa no re na o Andrea Mato o ya ma ejo roku obi do ya ma Juxi Charles kuyo emegbe waye odo de ko fun wa wa ri wa any money o ni ara wọn ni ara tan ni ara meti wa ho ai bi do ayo kwege wa wa bi omo wa gba we se uri ba ino ma na ugi tan ugi amon bono gbegbe o boye o ba ata wa be abiele ba mo wa be mana ye igbale ki agin egbe na eni ma gba wa be abiele ba mo wa le be ere do mi ma wo wa ni ma bo le ere do wa ke wo be ri awo ya oni ma be be oko e don to la ma yo bo kan o success God time abo kan o Adore Debbie abokia o Adore Debbie anyone ni wa ye capital letters one capital letter Adore A capital A then D capital D ma koyo na bule le koyo o igato Rose igato koyo o odange na idega wo ma be na we no ke manate dega wo ma obukia o Rose igato glory yamu koyo yogi koyo o Chris le bia soge koyo o yera men obukia o Solomon demu dia koyo o yera men koyo Andrea Mato itwa o Constance ya we ba obukia o nambule le wo ka re sisansi ọba o ọwụ ya do ọwụde do ya kwọrọ ibe ya duga wa ya go salobua lọrị ebi na ya fe ni ma aya arụ ya akpọ wọn wa afe ko ototo wa na mi abedo wa na mi nogi wa na mi otion we edo wa fi yi ya wa na mi otion we wa na mi nogi wa na mi okaegele If you know can that devil wa agba toto wa ni yobogia wa anania wa nehunia agia wa mwia o e na mo ya do ri ro yedo e ri Ìbàdàn ya ri ro ka ba ele ma we awanya gbebo ma anya gbebo ma aganya gbebo ma o itamu wa bo o oni me ho ni sa no wa Dado ya gba oge we dado ya te we ya quick shen lega we dado ya kole lega we abebe abo gui abo tin abe piro e ya fe ne baba se anima ya dole ya yi agba ni ase ya gbon oye wana do agba re da debo abi o na mi agba we se gba no debo why feko o ki ande Wednesday sabuwaro ama dole do no wan yi so bo no ri de baba de no ri to ne ma e ya ma ne ma ise bakoyo to be a je de me bebe na de bi na ta na de Ọ̀yọ́ wa de o ri to be a tie wa ta me na be no ma yen even ya no rokun wa we ni ya ge ni ya ge ki na mu yi na ta na ya fe o me ki na bio yi we ni ya ge e na mi ama ho bi e do so ya mi mama mama ai dai e ki na ya bio yi mo ye foto no ri ma to ki na ya bio yi ave yi go ge ya pe na una ya fe wa gi ma una kwa ma wo ri ban ro da obu wa no ka ri ye edo wa ma ni ma o ise wa ki o we o wa we baba do bye bye